Hi everyone, today's important MCQs from Indian Polity and this is set number 4. If you want to watch the remaining set, so you can go to the playlist Indian Polity and you can watch from there, okay? And another important thing is don't skip this video because in this session we have covered very important question. So don't skip this video, okay? So let's start, okay? So the first question is how many sessions of the Indian Constituent Assembly are conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution? So the answer is 11, option number 2. See, all the answers will be in red color, okay? So moving to the next question, see, the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Ambedkar on 29th August 1947, option number 2, okay? Who was the Constituent Advisor at the time of the formation of the Constitution? So who was the Constituent Advisor? So it is B.N. Rao, option number 3, B.N. Rao, okay? Very important question, okay? Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly of Independent India? So who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? It is Dr. Rajendra Prasad, okay? Option number 3. Who presented the objective resolution? So who? It is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949, option number 1, okay? When did the Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag? So when? It is 22 July 1947. 22 July 1947. In which year was Jana Gana Mana adopted as the national anthem of India? So it is 1950. Option number 1, 1950. Okay. So who chaired the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly? So again, very important question. See, it is Dr. Sachindranath Sinha. Option number 3, Dr. Sachindranath Sinha. How much time the Constituent Assembly took to frame the Constitution of India? So how much time it needed? So it is 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? So the answer is again Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. When was the third reading of the Indian Constitution Assembly started? So it is 17th November 1949. 17th November 1949. The concept of judicial review in India has been adopted from the Constitution of. So judicial review has been taken from USA, okay? Option number 1. Which article of the Constitution deals with the formation of new states? So it is Article 3. Article 3 deals with the formation of new states. The concurrent list in the Constitution was borrowed from which country? So the concurrent list is borrowed from Australia. Option number 2. The concept of fundamental duties has been taken from. So fundamental duties has been taken from USSR Constitution. So now it is Russia. Earlier it was Soviet Union, okay? The tradition of written constitution began from which of the following countries? So the written constitution has started from America, okay, USA, okay. There are originally how many articles in the Constitution of India? Means when constitution made, how many articles are means there? So it is 395. So now comment this. How many articles are currently? How many articles are there in Indian Constitution? So comment this answer on, okay. So total number of schedules in the Constitution is 12. Total number of schedules in the Constitution is 12, okay. The Indian Constitution is divided into how many parts? So Indian Constitution is divided into 22 parts, okay, 22 parts, okay. Which part of the Constitution contains provisions relating to citizenship? So it is part 2. So which part of the Constitution contains provisions relating to citizenship? It is part 2. So how many parts are there? Earlier I've seen 22 parts, okay. Which part of the Constitution envisages a 3-tier system panchayat? So it is part 9, okay. Which schedule of the Constitution lists the name of states and specifies the territory? So very important question. Which schedule of a Constitution lists the names and states and specifies the territories? It is first schedule. So how many schedules are there? Answer this in the comment section, okay. Fourth schedule of the Constitution of India deals with allocation of seats for the Council of States. So fourth schedule deals with what? Allocation of seats, okay. To see question number 25. To give constitutional protection, state land reforms laws have been included in the 9th schedule, okay. So another important question, okay. Question number 26. See, under the Constitution of India, economic planning is a subject of in the concurrent list. So we have 3 lists, okay. One is state list, one is concurrent list, and another is union list. So yeah, economic planning is subject of which list? Is a concurrent list. Which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? So which of the, see, there are 4 options are given. Which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? Criminal matters comes under concurrent list, okay. Which of the following entry is the subject of concurrent list? So population control and family planning comes under concurrent list. Okay. Option number 2, population control and family planning. Which of the following subject lies in the concurrent list? So out of these 4 options, education lies in the concurrent. Means concurrent list means state can also make laws and union also can make laws on this matter. Okay. Education, which was initially a state subject, was transferred to the concurrent list by which amendment? Means earlier it was in a state subject, now it is transferred to concurrent list, means both center or state can make laws on education. So by 42 amendment it is transferred to concurrent list. Okay. Which of the following is not included in the union list of the Constitution of India? See the question minutely very. See which of the following is not included, okay, in the union list. So the other 3 are included. So agriculture is not included. Okay, option number 1. Okay. So which of the following is included in the state list? Earlier was not included. Okay, now is included in the state list under 7th schedule of Indian Constitution. So you can see it's the railway police. Railway police is included in the state list under 7th schedule. Okay. Question 33. See which of the following is not included in the union list? So earlier is included, now it's not included in the union list. See, gas, banking is included, insurance is included, census is included, but option number 3 is not included, it is gas. Okay. In which list of Indian Constitution Panchayati Raj is included? It's a very, very important question. So it is state list. So Panchayati Raj comes under state list. The right of the government to impose taxes and fees is provided in which list of the Constitution? So it comes under 7th schedule. Okay, it comes under 7th schedule. Okay. Land reforms comes under the subjects of state list. Okay, land falls under the state list. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. And if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe, share.